Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you all how I made this cute little beaded wire work tiara or headband, depending on what you choose to call it. If you'll be interested in learning how this cute little headpiece was made, please make sure you watch this video to the end, subscribe, like and share. Hi friends, so to make this beaded tiara you need your choice of beads. For me, I'm working with these pearl beads in color green, dark green. I also have another batch of pearls in lemon green. Then I have these crystal beads that are very light shade of lemon green. Then I have my metallic headband. I have my copper wire in 0.50 millimeters, as we can see. I won't be doing too much talking. I'll try to leave some screen text on the screen just in case I'm doing something that may require explanation, but above listening to my explanation or reading, please also look closely at what I'm doing and replicate it on your own work. I hope you enjoyed the remaining part of this tutorial. Please remember to like this video. Please hit the like button. A lot of you guys watch my videos without liking. I'm begging, like it. Subscribe if you're yet to subscribe. Share this video with a friend and feel free to drop me questions in the comment section. Let's get started. For the purpose of this headpiece, I'm using 3 different types of beads like I mentioned earlier. What I'm doing now is I'm just rolling out a little quantity of wire, okay? I'm using the 0.50 millimeters copper wire, and I'm taking out a portion that is like 2 times the length of my headband. Okay, this metallic headband is about 16 inches long, so I cut out a piece of wire that is about 32 inches long. Okay, you can make yours like 40 inches. You can just play around with it and just determine what length you need. To start off this entire process, I folded my wire into 2 and I passed 5 beads through my wire. Okay, I did a combination of some pearls, some crystal beads. I just mixed it up. Feel free to use one single color for your own headpiece if that's what you like, or do the same mixture of colors like I did, anything you like. And I prefer to use pearls for this. You can try using other types of beads. You can use crystal beads all through your own, or any other type of bead that you like. And what I'm doing is I'm using 5 beads per row. Okay, for the first one I passed 5 beads at a time and then I twisted up like we saw earlier. The next thing I did was I was doing 3 beads on one hand, 2 beads on one hand, and the total will be 5. Okay, look at the way I'm passing. Can you see how I have 3 beads on that other hand? Now I'm passing 2 beads on this second hand of my wire, and I'm pulling the wires together and twisting. I have a video on copper wires and wire work in general. That video is going to start you off in just wire work kind of beading. I would suggest you check out that video. Another thing I'd like us to note is if I pass 3 beads on one wire for one time, the next time I'm passing beads through that wire again, I'm passing 2 beads. Remember, on one hand I used 3 beads. The second time I went in, I used 2 beads on that same wire. Okay, I hope everything I'm saying makes sense. Above listening to what I'm saying, please look at what I'm doing. If you use 3 beads at a time on one hand, okay, like I'm doing here, the second wire will have just 2 beads. Can we see? I know my fingers are covering what I'm doing, but I hope we all understand. So the next time you are passing beads through that wire where you passed 2 beads onto previously, the next time you are passing your beads, it will be 3 beads that will be on that wire. This is just to create balance in the way we are beading. Okay, we are interchanging it. If you pass 3 beads once and 2 beads on another side for one time, when next you are passing beads after twisting, of course, you pass 3 beads on the other one and 2 beads on the other one, and be changing it interchangeably like that. I hope I've not succeeded in confusing you people, but if you're confused, please look at the way I'm passing my beads and replicate it. I'm going to keep quiet now, allow you guys watch the way I'm passing my beads, and then if you still have questions, please feel free to drop your questions down in the comment section. Remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed, and share with a friend if you have someone that will be interested in learning something like this. All right guys, so this is what we have here. I believe we saw earlier. This is what the wire work looks like. It's absolutely stunning. If you like, you could just use it the way it is right now, but you need like pins, bobby pins, to pin it down to your hair or whatever you want to use it for. The other option is to attach it to this as you have it onto a metallic headband, and you have two options. You can either use your hot glue to just stick on these beads and then press it down as you go, or you get another strip of wire, okay, and then use that wire to attach these onto your headband. Because I just want to teach us, for the sake of this particular tutorial, I'm going to show us how to do it with wire. With glue is pretty simple. Just squeeze a little dollop of glue onto your headband, place this and work your way upwards. But with this, there's a little bit of technicality to it, so I'm just going to show us how to go about it. A little bit of wire and then we'll work together. So you want to determine where your wire work will start from. All right, and then once that is done, this part here where you have this twist, I hope you can see. So this twist part, that's where you're going to place your wire and do your first twist around. I might need to cut off this wire. Where's my scissors? You do your first twist around. Please stay with me, don't get confused. So you want that first one to be very, very firm. That's what is going to ensure that the work just goes seamlessly. I pull on it very well. And if you want, you can also just apply some glue onto this very first one, just so that it sits perfectly. Or if you don't want to use glue at all, you just need to make sure that you use this your wire very, very well and secure your work in place. Once that is done, you start to adjust and then work your way upwards. The next place I'm going to wrap my wire around this second portion here. And as you're wrapping, I suggest you do it like twice per time. So I've done this twice now. On to the next portion. Go again. Same vibe. Just wrapping twice as we go. Alright guys, so this is the end result of this particular tiara, if you would. This wire work pearl bead tiara. This is what it looks like. So stunning. This can be worn on a child or an adult. I'm going to also try it on myself. I'm going to insert a footage of myself wearing it so you guys also get to see what it would look like if you decide to make it for yourself. You can even use this for a bridal shower. You know, if you have a friend that is getting married and you just want to make something matchy for you and your girls, or you even want to make it as a gift to your friend for all the other girls that will be coming for the bridal shower, this is something you can make in any color that you want for your party theme, and it will be such a vibe and it will turn out looking incredibly stunning. If you enjoyed this cute little tutorial, let me know down in the comments. I'm going to be doing a lot more wire work headpieces tutorial and just wire work in general. I'm going to add it to the list of content that we see on here on the channel. So subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed and become a part of this gorgeous family on here on YouTube. Yeah guys, I can't wait to see you in another tutorial very soon.